Okay, so this is pixel art. So I'm basically just doing pixels in this thing. So I'm basically, first to start off this whole thing. Hold on. Wait. Okay, so first you're going to start off like this, then you can just rename it to whatever you want. I call mine pixel art. So when you want to make pixel art, you hold here and then pull all the way to Z. Then you right click and go to resize columns. Then you can just do whatever you want. I did 50, make it a bit easier, and I mean, you can do whatever you want, but 50 is pretty easy because all of these on here are all 21. Then here, these are 50. So 21 and 50, then dimensions basically make it big enough, and then now we're going to do our pixel art. So basically you just fill and do red. You can do red, you can highlight all of these, make it that kind of reddish color. You can even highlight them. Go to border color and change the border color and then turn the border on so it just looks like a random block. You can do all sorts of stuff. You can just do whatever you want. I mean, I'm basically just going to be making like a tank or something. So I'm gonna need to change all of these to like, what color is it? Then click that. Then turn on the borders, then go to the fill, and do that same color. Now I have this gigantic square. Then you can just highlight the ground, fill that with black, make borders of that black, make borders be there. Then you can basically just do whatever you want. Personally, I just like to just keep filling in random colors like red. It looks kind of cool with those lines on it, but I'm going to take out some rows of that. I'm going to do the borders. They're going to be black. And I can turn on the borders. So those borders are black. And you can also like merge cells to make them all one cell. You go up here, merge cells, and now they're just one big block. Then you can just unmerge too and highlight all of this. Basically just do text wrapping, vertical line, whatever you want. You can even do strike through. So like when you type, it becomes strike through. And if you couldn't see that very well, you could also use like horizontal alignment, centered. You can even text wrap it if you wanted. Then yeah, basically it. Then you can just do Control Z, 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 and bam, you have this back. You can rename it by going here, rename, let's type pixel art. You can even like change the color of this thing. Make this color like orange or something. You can even fill color, I think. Change color, no, I guess you can't fill color. But you can like copy it and put it in a different one. You can also add ones with going to add sheet. But yeah, you have like another entire sheet, so you can do one or more. All sheets, oh yeah, I didn't realize that thing. Yeah, right here I'm just gonna like make a bomb or something. First I'm gonna black. Then, oh gosh, you can still kind of see those little white lines. So I'm gonna turn on border just in case. now it's basically just a black bomb, and then you can go up here, make it a bomb, you know, fill color. What color is those things? Like yellow, red. I think they're red. Orange maybe.
Kind of a...
I think they're orange, and then do this. That, yeah, you could basically just do whatever you want. You can even go to conditional formatting and like literally just make all of these formatted. So when you type the right here, the bomb will explode or something, or appear, who knows. Conditional formatting is pretty easy. Let's go highlight it. Then you do, where's conditional formatting? Yeah, it's right here. Do conditional formatting. Then you basically format cells is not empty, and then you can like fill color, change the fill color, turn them all orange, make it, yeah, basically. Yeah, I'm not really used to this kind of stuff, but yeah, you can just make any pixels you want. You can shrink all of these too. Oh. You can probably like just do all of these and then literally just, oh yeah. Yeah, and then you go here. I'm gonna do 21. Because that's the size of all of these. Wow, that is small. Now you can literally fill this thing with pixels. Wow, this is cool. I've never done like that before. So yeah, that's basically it. It's pretty cool. So yeah. Okay, and I think this is going to end now. Bye.